Hello, this is Paul Drockton with Drockton, Bullion and Coin, located at 1266 East Center Street in Spanish Fork, Utah. Our phone number, 801-794-2646. Our email, sales@drocktonbullion.com, or just visit my website, drocktonbullion.com. Today we're going to talk about silver and gold. Now, the question many of you have is, which one should I invest in? Should I invest in silver or should I invest in gold? Historically, silver and gold have both been used as currencies. The reality is that in its crust, for every 1 ounce of gold, there are 10 ounces of silver. And as I said, both have been used for currencies. So gold historically has been used for large transactions. For example, if you wanted to buy land, or if you wanted to buy a horse, or if you wanted to buy a wagon, or any other large purchase, you usually made those purchases with gold. Silver has been used for smaller purchases. In 1913, one silver dollar bought you the equivalent of $100 worth of groceries in today's money. So as I said, both have been used as currencies, historically and in these United States. As a matter of fact, the Constitution states specifically that Congress shall make nothing legal tender but gold and silver. Now, when you take a look at gold versus silver as an investment, as I said, historically we're looking at a gold-silver ratio of 10 to 1. In other words, 1 ounce of gold should carry the same value as 10 ounces of silver. Now today, because of the massive amount of short trading being done on the COMEX, the ratio is 73 to 1. In other words, you're able to get 73 ounces of silver for every 1 ounce of gold. So obviously that has to correct. And when it does, then silver will be worth at least 7 times what it's worth right now. Now, the other thing you want to consider when you're purchasing silver or gold is you want to think in terms of portability, and you want to think in terms of storage. I tell people when I advise them to get as much silver as they can possibly store, and then to invest in gold. When you start investing in silver or gold, the key is security. And one of the things that we do at Drockton Bullion is we advise you and give you counsel based on the most secure way to store your precious metals. Now, as I stated before, gold and silver have both been used as currency. Gold up until 1933 was used as currency in these United States. Silver all the way up until 1969. Up until 1964, half dollars, quarters, and dimes were 90% silver, and from 1965 to 1969, half dollars were 40% silver. U.S. Mint still makes silver coinage, primarily silver eagles, but it's not really designed to be used as currency as much as it is to be used as a vehicle for wealth storage. So when you're making your decision on whether to buy silver or gold, take all these things into consideration and realize that silver is going to be a lot easier for you to use on a daily basis for smaller transactions. And the other thing to consider is that you probably heard a lot about putting us on a gold standard, and how if we were on a gold standard, that would be the savior of these United States. My argument is that you can't operate with just a gold standard. You need a gold and silver standard, which is how we operated before the creation of the Federal Reserve in this country anyway. So hopefully this answers some of your questions about which to buy. And of course, when you come to Drockton Bullion, you're going to get the best prices anywhere on your gold and silver. But in addition to that, you get me. You get great advice from an individual who knows what he's talking about, versus a guy that's just standing on the other side of the counter and just taking your order. So not only do you get great price, but you get great value. And as I said before, come visit us. drocktonbullion.com. Have a great day, and we'll be back again with more informative videos like this one. Thank you.